If you want to go ahead and sign in to your existing WordPress account, then all you need to do is go to wordpress.com on the browser of your choice and then click on the login button on the top right hand side. So over here it says login to wordpress.com. So you can type in your email address or username right here, or use one of these services to log in directly as well. So in my case, I'm simply going to go around and use my email address. So I'm just going to go around over here and utilize tututube at gmail.com right here, and I'm going to click on continue right here. So once I go ahead and do that, it says we have sent a login link to your Gmail. So I simply need to go ahead and open this out right here, as you can see. And depending on the different emails, you might have different ways to sign in. It might prompt you to add in password as well. But since it is linked with Gmail, it prompts you to open up your Gmail account. So over here, you can see that login to wordpress.com. The link is there. So you can simply go ahead and click. And then what happens is that it will be logged into your account right here. It says welcome back. And now you get to the dashboard of WordPress, as you can see right here. And you can access your account right here. And that is how you can go ahead and sign into wordpress.com just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.